Hello student, we go over T3, multiplication with rational exponent. Okay, so in this scenario, you can see two exponential number that have different base. This is 8 and this is number 2. Okay, so they're not the same base. So we got a formula for it. Okay, so here we go. A power n, and then b also power n. So you can see two different base, but they have the same exponent over here. So you can group a and b together, and then the exponent n outside. Okay, so in this case, so you again, if you notice, the base number a and the base number 2 different, okay, but then the exponent 1/4 here and 1/4 here is the same, so you can group them outside. Okay, so here we go, let's do this. So a times 2 over here, and then power 1/4. Okay, so a times 2 is 16 and then power 1/4. But 16 is a very special number. 16 is 2 power to the 4. Okay, and then 1/4 is here. So now you have power, the exponent on top of another exponent, so you can multiply them together. All right, so 4 times 1/4. Okay, so 4 times 1/4, that's number 1. So 2 power 1, that's number 2. So the answer of this problem is number 2. Number 2. So let's go and put down number 2. Here we go. Submit. Voila. Okay. So this problem is very similar. You got the base 4 and 16 are not the same. Okay. But the exponent are the same. 1/3 and then 1/3. Okay. So now let's group them out. 1/3. Okay, 4 times 16. So 4 right here times 16. Okay, 4 times 16 is actually 64. Okay, so multiply together, that's 64. But 64 is 4 cubed. Okay, and then power 1/3. So now you can see these two power, you multiply them together. Okay, so here we go. 3 and then 1/3, you multiply them together. Okay, so multiply them. It's come out number 1. So the answer is 4 power 1. Okay, which is number 4. So this problem, the answer is number 4. Okay. Now we do very similar. Okay, so here we go. This is number 3. This is at 27. So they have two different bases here, but the exponent are the same. 3 over 2, 3 over 2. So let's group them together. So 3 over 2, the exponent, you group outside. And then 3 times 27. Okay. 3 times 27, that's a 81. Okay, 81 power 3 over 2. Okay. 81 actually 9 square. Okay, 9 square and then 3 over 2. So now we multiply these two exponents together, multiply them. Okay, so now we have 9, 2 times 3 over 2. Okay, so that would be 9 power 3. Okay, 9 power 3. So let's use a calculator. Here we go. So I use my calculator here. 9 power 3 will be 729. So this is 729. So I put my answer is 729. Voila. Here we go. 729. Okay. All right. Next problem. Should we move to, we have level 2 right now. Let's do one more level 2. Okay. So now in this scenario, the base 4 and 4 are the same. Okay. So we have a formula for that. So if you have two exponential number, let's say b power m and then b power n. Okay. So they have the two two bases are the same, so we only add the exponent together. All right, so m plus n. Okay, so you add them together. So let's do this in this scenario. So that should be 4. So we got negative 7 over 4, negative 7 over 4. All right, negative 7 over 4 and add with negative 7 over 4. Okay, so you come out at 4 power negative 7 over 4, so negative 14 over 4, negative 14 over 4. Okay, so simplify the fraction, that should be negative 7 over 2. Okay, so now number 4 is a special number. Number 4 is 2 square. Okay, so power negative 7 over 2. Okay, so now you have power on top of power. Okay, so you multiply them together. Okay, so let's multiply them together. So 2, okay, power 2 multiply with negative 7 over 2, which would come out at 2. You simplify the 2 over 2 over here. So now you have power negative 7. Okay, but this power is negative, so you have to bring it down. You have to bring it down. Okay, so let me give you the formula. If you have b power negative m, if you want the power m, the negative m become power m, you move it down. Okay, so 1 over b power m. Okay, so apply for this over here. 2 power negative 7 equal 1 over 2 power 7. Okay, so 2 power over 2 power 7, let's use a calculator. 128. Okay, so the answer is 1 over 128. Okay, so I go to the answer box. I put 1 over 128. Okay, submit. Voila. Okay, let's move on to level 3. There we go. So in this scenario, you got the base y are the same. So you just add the exponent together. Okay, 3 over 2 add with 5 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2 add 5 over 2, that's an 8 over 2, which is number 4. So the answer is y power 4. Y power 4. That's it. Here we go. Power 4. Submit. Here we go. Should we do the next level? Yeah, we can do level 4 now. Okay. So same thing. You have two exponential number with the same base s. Okay. So you just add the exponent together. So 5 over 2 add with 8 over 3. Okay. So they give you two numbers. When you add them together, they don't have the same denominator. So make sure you do common denominator. So common denominator should be number 6. So you can do multiply 3 up here, multiply 3 down here. And then this one multiply 2 up here, multiply 2 down here. Okay, so now you come out at s power 15 over 6 add with 16 over 6. So that would be 31 over 6. Okay, let's open a calculator. Okay, so you can use help for calculator over here. So let's do this. This one I can move. Okay, here we go. Okay, so again you add the two exponents together. 5 over 2 add with 8 over 3. Okay, make sure you click on the converted fraction, so it's 31 over 6. Okay, so I just use calculator to double check. So the answer would be as power, okay, the power should be 31 over 6. Okay, submit, voila. Okay. Same thing, you have the calculator side by side here. So you can see the exponent 7 over 4, 11 over 4. You add them together. So 7 over 4 add with 11 over 4. Okay, which is 9 over 2. Okay, so the answer will be z power and then 9 over 2. Voila. Okay, so let's do the last level over here. Okay, now instead of 2 exponential number, they give you 3. So not a big deal. Here we go. So you add all the exponential, you add the exponent together. All right, so where is, here we go. It's still here. Okay, so let's see over here. So how do I write it down? Where is my, oh, it disappeared somewhere. I cannot find, oh, I can write it. Can I? No, it disappeared. Oh, it's right here. Okay, I can write it. Okay, so it should be y power 9 over 4 add with 11 over 4 add with 11 over 4. Okay, so 31 over 4. 31 over 4. Okay, if you need calculator, so let me enter into the box first over here. Y as the base, and the exponent is 31 over 4. 31 over 4. All right, so let you calculate to double check. So 9 over 4 add with 11 over 4 add with another 11 over 4. Okay, and click convert to fraction, it come out 31 over 4. All right, so I should be correct. Voila, come on. Okay, so you have to, maybe we have time for one last one over here. Same thing over here. Here we go. So the base t is the same. So the answer should be t, and then you add all the exponents together. Okay, so 5 over 2 add with 5 over 2 add with 3 over 2. So equal t power 5 over 2 add 5 over 2, that's a 10 over 2, another 3 over 2, it will be 13 over 2. 13 over 2. Okay, so I put the answer into the box. T, all right, and then 13 over 2. So you can use the calculator to double check over here. Here we go. 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2 and then plus 3 over 2. Okay, make sure you click convert to fraction. So 13 over 2. So we should be correct. Submit. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.